We're gonna be bass fishing these canals. There's a snook in this one. We're gonna try to catch him, maybe. Hopefully. But shit, let's see. Caught this one on the swim bait. Oh, he's a nice one. Not bleeding. Maybe about a pound, pound and a half. Alright. Let's get him back in the water pretty safe. See, she's gonna take off. Oh, there he goes. Another one on the swim bait. Hooked him right in his nose. Damn, ow. Fuck. Ow. There's one. This 6 cents Trace is fucking putting in the work, boy. Stop curling up. There it is. I just casted this shit to try to snag a pleco, and a damn bass, the second it hit the water, just came up and gulped it. Bleeding a little bit, so we can get him back. There it goes. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. No! He just fucking broke off. That was like a fucking 3 or 4 pounder, dude. I just lost the damn swim bait right over there in them trees. So now I'm gonna tie on a 90 Berkeley Choppo. Cause I know that they really like top water in this canal. So I'll get back to you when I catch a fish.
Labeling Jew.
There we go. A little dink. A little dinkzilla. Oh no, I hooked him in his eye. Oh, my bad, bud. Let's get him back quick. We got a nice one on. There we go. Yep. Shake. Nice little pickle. Nice little ditch pickle. Another one already? No way. Oh my god. Please tell me I got that on camera. Did I hook him in his back? Oh no, I think I foul hooked him. Wait, I don't think I have him at all now. This is fucking lily pad. He got off. Damn. There we go. Got one. Oh, does he have? Oh! 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 No way. Yo, I just... This is the same bass that bit my other... Yo! 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 Yo, he bit my other fucking... This is the same one that took my other whopper plopper whenever my line snapped. Thank you, Bubba. That was great. See him. Got one. Pretty nice one. Oh my. Yeah. Down. Push up. Boom. Probably about a pound. She just hammered it. Come on. Put that mouth. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Just gonna throw him back. Get him up out of there. Hey man, I had a good day bass fishing today. Just let me know what y'all want to see next. If you liked, hit the like button. Deuces.
Alright, I'm a fault with.
Alright, bro.